Hi, we are going to talk about aura energizing cause in this video. Energizing means activating, cleansing, and healing. Aura or the energy field around our bodies is our spiritual signature. It is an identity which transparently shows our character, thoughts, feelings, inherent capabilities, various good or bad influences, our belief system, etc. In today's world, we find it really very difficult to trust anyone and anything in front of us. It can be a friend, a relative, a proposal, our spouse, client, literally anyone. Moreover, we are confused about what exactly is keeping us stuck from within, though on surface we are really working hard to sort things out in our lives. Only if we know what's running in the minds of people we are dealing with, only then we know the truth and can make wise decisions. Only then we will never be cheated by anyone. Aura energizing cause is one of its kind which can teach you to see, read and heal aura. Now, one thing to note is not just our physical body has aura, everything, literally everything in this world, since everything is energy, it has its aura. It radiates a frequency. Even your phone or a clothing or any furniture in your house or anywhere, a photo, a crystal or a book or a pen or any other stationery, your kitchen, everything has an aura. So once you learn to read, see and heal aura, you are in a you find yourself in a better place wherein you can overcome those anything that is limiting you. Not just for self, but for others also, for your family members, for your friends. You can really see, read and heal aura and make things little comfortable for yourself in the very start of the course itself. You learn to activate your third eye in this course, that is activating your pineal gland. You will be learning how to boost your mind power, strengthen your inner muscles, connect back to your life powers at various neurocenters. You learn to cleanse your karma garbage, space clearing, chakra cleansing, psychic protection methodologies and many more collectively in just 21 days, apart from just seeing, reading and healing auras. In this online course of 21 days, you will find handy remedies to overcome and transcend your limitations, long stuck karmic patterns, identifying your individual purpose of birth, the purpose of problems coming in your life, harmonizing your inner world, control your anxiety, anger and similar mind and psychological instabilities. In case you wish to start your own aura healing venture, or you only want to practice as a simple self-oriented aura practitioner, it is an apt workshop to attend. So what are we waiting for and why are we delaying to know our own selves? It is a journey of knowing yourself and healing yourself. And in case you wish to join this workshop, drop me a mail at info@mysteriousbox.co.in. It is a 21 days course which will be covered through audio and text messages, and it is a course which is well packed with doubt sessions. So get hand-holded throughout this journey of healing yourself and identifying yourself, your flaws, others' flaws, and moreover heal it. The whole idea is we can create karma to heal the long lost identity that we have. So all the very best. Do let me know about your interest. I'll be waiting for your mail. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.